welcome and welcome back to my garden. You see these pestilence? Are you having this problem in your garden? Look around here. Look at that one. Eating down my cucumber. And I just literally got some salt and just fling it on it. I throw the salt on it. Best way to get rid of slugs in your garden is salt. Easiest way. No, do not get me wrong, you don't want to put it on your plants and you don't want to put it in your soil because one, you don't want your foliage to wilt away, and two, you don't want to stunt your plant growth. Alright, so make sure when you're using it to use it properly. Now, the other day I got carried away when I saw a slug on my cucumber vine. The frustration kicking and everything, because they have been such a plague in my garden. I just got really mad and I just went for the salt and I just throw it on the cucumber, which that is not right. Do not do that, alright? Because what happened, some of my cucumber leaves, they wilt away, alright, and it could have damaged the vine altogether. So I wasn't thinking, I was just all up in my feelings. But anyhow, we are going to go through the correct way to go about it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Basically, the correct way to go about it is to put it around your containers or in the walkways or any corner, cribs and curves, anywhere like that. You put it in there. The only drawback with using this salt is that when it rains, it tends to wash away. Naturally, that is going to happen. Alright, so the thing about it, you have to be doing it over and over, especially in times like this when it's the rainy season. So let's get to it. Alright, so basically in these areas, I just put some in my hand. Right here, in these areas. Because before they get to your plants, that's where they would normally come from first. So they climb up on the containers. So, for instance, if they get into your container, all you need to do is to just take them out, put them somewhere, and then put the salt on them. Or if you have the salt in your garden, like what I'm doing now on the ground, all you need to do is to just skim them off in it. These pestilence, they just come and they eat and full them belly and they do as they like. Look at my pak choy right there. I can bet you that this culprit right here is the one that hit it. See another one right here? Look. I am so disgusted by them. As it rains, even when it don't rain, you see them coming out. But when it rains, you see them in their numbers. I don't know if you can see that little crook round there. You see it? Look what it did to my broccoli right here. Look. Him getting away now. Him not getting away. Hold on. You see? Wait and it. Look at it. Is him taking him little time trying to run away? Well, I got news for you. That didn't even go on him good. And look at him. He didn't get all of it, but he got much of it. Well, It is around there curling up like crazy. Let's see if I can get this stick right here. See if I can push over some of the salt. Yeah, over on it. So this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.